Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to execute Apex code in Salesforce Developer Console. This is an essential skill for any Salesforce developer as it allows you to test and debug your code quickly without deploying it to your org first. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, you'll need to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce page. This gear icon is your gateway to various setup and developer tools within Salesforce. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down menu, select Developer Console. This action will open a separate window dedicated to development tasks. The Developer Console is a powerful tool that gives you access to logs, code execution, and debugging features all in one place. After selecting it, you'll need to wait for the Developer Console window to fully load. Depending on your internet connection and the size of your org, this might take a few moments, so be patient while everything initializes. Once the Developer Console is open and ready, look at the top menu bar and click on Debug. This menu contains all the tools you'll need for testing and troubleshooting your Apex code. From the Debug dropdown, select Open Execute Anonymous window. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac to open this window instantly. Now you're ready to write your code. In the Enter Apex Code window that appears, type the Apex code you want to execute. For example, you might type something simple like system.debug, open parenthesis, single quote, hello world, exclamation mark, single quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. This window accepts any valid Apex code, making it perfect for quick tests and experiments before executing your code. Make sure to check the Open Log checkbox located below the code editor. This step is crucial because it ensures that the execution log opens automatically after your code runs, allowing you to see the results immediately without having to hunt for them. When you're ready, click the Execute button. You can also use the same keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E or Command+E to execute your code. The system will now run your Apex code in the background. After execution completes, switch to the Logs tab at the bottom of the Developer Console. This is where all your execution logs are stored. You'll see a list of log entries with the most recent one at the top. Double-click the newest log entry in the list to open it and view the details. Finally, in the log inspector that appears, check the Debug option under User Trace Event Types. This filter ensures you can see your system.debug output clearly among all the other information in the log. You'll now be able to see the results of your executed code. And that's it. You've successfully executed Apex code in Salesforce Developer Console. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.